I wanted to tell you guys about a few more things. There are art or activity kits for kids for December. So in it I have a few coloring sheets. I have the little paperclip helicopters that I showed you a few weeks ago in a STEM Thursday with the instructions. Also the Thaumatropes, where you put two circles and colored them and put them on the end of a pencil. I updated those to be December ones, so now you have a little penguin that goes in the snow globe and a little elf that has his hat. These will work better if you use felt pen. The pencil is a little bit hard to see the magic. There's a little do-it-yourself ornament. So I've given you some ribbon, some stickers, and that's just a starter. You might have other stickers that you like at home, or you could color if you have permanent marker or paint. So that's all in the activity kit for kids, and just ask for that. Call the children's number at 620-6557 for that. Also, Richmond Art Center has given us some very special art kits. So if you really, really like art, this is something you can ask for also. So this one has all sorts of cool stuff. Pastels, markers, pencils, pipe cleaners, and this activity book that the art center, art teachers have put together. So again, you can call the children's number for that. That's a very special one-time deal. It comes with a nice black tote bag too. So ask us about those things when you call, and we can also help you get books and other fun things.